Hey guys, Dirk Freedom Lifestyles Academy. You're here because, for the Instagram algorithm update and why I believe that kid killed Instagram automation. Many of you here on our channel have been applying Instagram automation for a longer time, or just get started and looking for information and watching my videos with settings and stuff like that. And it's all great. It's all good. And although I believe that Instagram automation still works, I also believe that the Instagram automation, the Instagram algorithm update will eventually kill Instagram automation. You see that things like Jarvee with Twitter and with Facebook, many blocks. It gets blocked as soon as possible. There's a reason why you cannot find Jarvee automation for YouTube and all these other trainings here on YouTube, because nobody's making them, because hardly nobody is using them. I've tried it, got a lot of errors, and did not see the results that I like. I didn't see a big lead flow coming in and stuff like that. So what now? What is it that you can do? Because Instagram, the algorithm update really, ruined a lot. And in my other videos, you see how I talk about, chasing your proxies, and that definitely works. So if I show you my so as you can see here in my Jarvee, you see it all grow. They all grow, and they all grow, and they work. These are all on 4G proxies, and that's super great. They work, and it's so. Yes, Instagram automation still works. It still does do a thing, but in the end, we could follow 1,500 people, and now we can only follow 180 to be safe, and still got many errors, and it's just a hustle. It is a lot of work to keep on, and today I canceled all my clients in the agency. So we have an Instagram agency, and I canceled all my clients. And why? Because I cannot live up to what we promised. 100 new followers a day, 3,000 new followers a month. Man, that used to be like that. Those times are over. So what do? I recommend, if you are having a business and you are depending solely on Instagram, you are screwed, because you see your lead flow. I saw our lead flow from Instagram going from 70 to 100 leads per day, all the way to 2 per day. I cannot grow a business on 2 leads per day. So if you can, that's awesome. I don't know many people who can with 2 leads per day. You need constant flow. I used to have restaurants. If I had 2 customers per day, I would go out of business. I needed hundreds of customers per day every single day. So that is what I focused on. So now that the Instagram algorithms have been updated, and that Instagram automation is dying, it still works, but it's dying. What do? Well, I recommend you to build your house before it rains. Build a roof before it starts to rain. That is basically what I do. That is basically what Muriel does. That's basically what we've done. Now, I found an awesome platform for training, and I want to share that with you here. It's a high-ticket affiliate accelerator. So no matter what your business is, no matter what you're promoting, no matter what you're doing, okay, you cannot do this for clients directly, but it's an awesome way to set this up. And your lead flow is back up. We see sales coming in, and that is awesome again. So what it does, it focuses on Facebook advertising. But super simple ads, because I don't know if, like you, my results with Facebook ads, never had any results and did it the wrong way. But these guys really explain it in the super simple, easiest way possible, and do not overcomplicate things. And then this is combined with chatbot. So because I like to automate my things, I like to filter out people, tire kickers and people who wannabes, and you're never not gonna make money of that, because it costs a lot of time. And basically, I want to hang out with my kids on the beach, or spend time with my wife, doing fun stuff, instead of talking to people that will never buy from me. So with the chatbot in place, we can filter out people and only talk to really, interested customers who really want to go forward. Then there are free marketing strategies, like here, the Tube Traffic Selling System. So this is a training that is just, I mean, we are having this, the Freedom Lifestyles Academy. We also have the Sunshine Family, and we are setting all these up. And just, you know, Joshua, he is a big mentor for us, and he helped us a lot to set everything up. And he really goes through how you set everything up, from keyword research to everything. I love it. So this is what we are doing. This is what I'm doing. This is what I want the best for my family. I want to move forward. I want to make sure that I have other strategies in place for my business. Now that Instagram updated their algorithm, and I believe that Instagram automation is dead. It is not completely dead. I'm still doing it, but I'm not gonna wait until the day that it does die completely. So, if you want to learn more about this, how to use YouTube, free strategies on YouTube, how to you know, do Facebook ads for the lowest cost possible, combined with a chatbot, so you still have this automation, then go check out the first link here in the description and watch the case study. And if you want to learn more information about it, reach out to me, connect. But just watch the case study first, and looking forward to see you there, and build the future together. Build a thriving business to get you home from your job, to get job free, to help you travel the world, because it's possible even if Instagram is not there anymore to automate. So that being said, guys, check out the first link in the description, and of course make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the thumbs up button if you found value in this video. And tick the bell icon so you get notified, and I can keep you in the loop about all these new strategies that are evolving here. So that being said, guys, click the link, first link in the description, and I'll see you soon.